It's an amazing place, but...
Okay, this too high. Bye. After exploring Lithuania's capital city, we head into the countryside to see more of what the country has to offer and walk through the treetops.
Morning everyone!
I don't know if you can see, but behind us is a big structure in the treetops. We're at this really awesome place. Don't actually know the name of it, but there's a walk in the treetops. So we're gonna go do that right now. It's just started to rain, so we better get our rain jackets and then we're gonna head off.
Quite a few stairs. So we just got the tickets, they were €1.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna start the treetop walk. So it's like about 10:30 now. It opened at 9:30, but there's no one here at all.
No.
It's an amazing place, but it's odd that there's no one else here.
Yeah.
But,
I mean, it is a rainy day, but it's summer. You'd think there'd be loads of
and it is a
tourists.
weekday as well.
Sure.
But
make a trip here. Come to Lithuania.
yeah.
If you're not planning on coming to Lithuania, come to Lithuania.
Yeah.
If you are in Lithuania, make a trip here. It was only like an hour 20 outside of Vilnius, and it cost €1 each to get in. So that's pretty cool.
Look at the cute little deer that live here.
And the ugly, scary snake.
And there's a snake. Oh, and squirrel with like hairy ears.
Oh my gosh, what is it? That's so cute. Down. That's scary. It's like trippy because we're crisscrossed with the swivel.
Yeah, we are like 20 meters off the ground. We are up high now, and we still have to climb this little tower as well. It would be beautiful here in the winter when the whole place is covered in snow and there's snow on the treetops. I made the mistake of looking down and seeing how high up we were. It's high. Should we head up to the top? You're not gonna go?
Higher. Look over there, look, we're like above the trees. I don't want to be higher.
It's a bit of a walk up the staircase.
Lauren convinced me to come up to the top, but I can't. It's too high. Bye.
What an amazing view up here. So high on, but I conquered my fears of heights a little bit. I did a few high ropes courses and I went from like being terrified of heights to like being fine. But this is kind of another level of height. In the distance over there you can see two huge, I don't know what they are. They must be so tall to stand that high above the trees. So I think after this I might try and find out what they are and then maybe go and see them.
Just got back to the van. It was so cool. I'm so glad we did that. And it was only €1.
Yeah.
So cheap. So that's kind of all our exploring for the day. It's now a work day for us, so we're about to head off. There's not good reception here, so we're going to drive about an hour to a better spot and have a bit of a work day. So better get going.
The car park is filling up as well.
Yeah, they are getting more people. I think we were just here early.
And there's the towers that I saw that you can see the two peaks. It's a church.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.